up. Um, when I wake up in the morning and it's my day off, I listen to the baby's heartbeat. I've been getting lots and lots of YouTube requests that you guys want to hear the baby's heartbeat since I showed you that I bought a fetal Doppler. So that's what I'm going to do this morning. I'm going to show that experience with you. I haven't looked for it at all this morning, so it I may take a minute to find it, and if the baby is its back's turned to me, the heartbeat's really faint, and I don't think you guys will be able to hear it. I can hear it, but I don't think you guys will be able to hear it. So this is kind of like a trial and run thing, okay? Let's hear the baby's heartbeat. Is it? And it is. Can you hear it? He moved on me. Alright, sorry it wasn't that long. He moved on me, so I'm not gonna look for it. I just do a little quick one because I know that it's not good to have that fetal Doppler doing those ultrasonic waves a lot. So that's my baby's heartbeat. I hope you guys can hear it pretty well. Bye everyone.